Data shows that over 50% of you want to start your own business, but less than 10% of you ever will. Why? Because you don't know what business to start. In this video, we're changing that by breaking down 7 proven business models that have made ordinary people millionaires. We're talking 95% success rates, million-dollar annual profits, and business models that practically run themselves once you set them up right. I've spent the last 2 years analyzing businesses worth billions of dollars, and today, I'm going to reveal the 7 most profitable, boring businesses that you can start today. Number 1. ATM businesses. This first one blew my mind when I discovered it. Paul Alex, a retired San Francisco police officer, bought his first ATM machine for $2,100 in 2018. He installed it in a nail salon, and that single machine started generating $500 in profit every single month. Fast forward to today, Paul's ATM business now earns over $8 million a year. That's right, from ATM machines. While you're trying to figure out the next app idea, this guy is making millions from people withdrawing cash. Here's what's brilliant about the ATM business. You can start with just one machine. Find a high-traffic location like a gas station, restaurant, or strip mall. The business owner is usually happy to let you place it there because they get more foot traffic, and you collect the transaction fees. But here's the key. Location is everything, and you need to keep those machines stocked with cash and in working order. If your ATM is empty or broken, it's not making money. That's your only real responsibility. Number 2, pet care service. This one surprised me. The pet care market in the US is expected to grow from $151 billion in 2024 to $251 billion by 2030. That's a 5% annual growth rate in a market that just keeps expanding. But here's the secret. You're not really solving problems for the pet. You're solving problems for the owner. Think about busy professionals who travel for work or parents who feel guilty leaving their dog home alone all day. I know people on my team who pay hundreds of dollars to send their dog to a pet hotel when they travel. These places have cameras so you can watch your pet, play areas, spa treatments. They're basically 5-star hotels for dogs. The key is focusing on premium services for busy, high-income pet owners. Pet sitting, premium grooming, and daycare services. These people will pay top dollar to eliminate the guilt of not being with their furry family member. And get this, as more people live in smaller apartments and have busier lifestyles, they want to spend more on their pets to make up for the time they can't spend with them. Before we jump into the next part, hit that like and subscribe button if you love learning about stuff like this. And I'm always curious, where in the world are you watching from? Drop your country in the comments. Okay, let's move on. Number 3, laundromats. Now, let's talk about laundromats. This business has a 95% success rate, almost double the national average for most businesses. Think about it. Everyone needs to wash their clothes. It's not going away, ever. On the surface, laundromats look like the perfect passive income business. You buy the machines, people put in money, wash their clothes, and you collect. Sounds easy, right? Well, not exactly. You're still responsible for maintaining all those machines, keeping the place clean and safe, and most importantly, having the right location. People won't drive across town to do laundry, so convenience is key. The biggest downside? It takes more capital than most people realize to scale. But if you're looking for a proven business model with high success rates, laundromats are solid. Number 4, equipment rental. Here's one that most people never think about. Equipment rental. Picture this. A construction company's excavator breaks down right in the middle of a big project. The replacement parts won't arrive for weeks, but they have deadlines to meet and crews to pay. What do? They call a local equipment rental company and gladly pay $500 a day for a replacement excavator. The rental company makes easy money, and the construction company saves on their project. That's when I realized the goldmine that is equipment rental. Every single day, companies across the country need equipment they don't have. Construction equipment, manufacturing tools, generators, you name it, and they'll pay premium prices to rent it when they need it. Here's the best part. It's incredibly tax efficient. If you buy equipment for $100,000 and rent it out for $60,000 that year, you can write off 100% of that $100,000 purchase against your income. That's $60,000 you made, essentially tax-free. With all the talk about bringing manufacturing back to the US, I think the equipment rental business is only going to grow over the next decade. Number 5, social media consulting. This is the fastest growing opportunity on my list. With a 14% annual growth rate, the market is expected to hit $10.2 billion by 2030. Here's what successful business consultants know from working with companies across different industries. Most business owners are terrible at social media. They often hire inexperienced people just because they're young, thinking that means they understand social media for business. But social media for businesses is completely different from personal use. You need someone who actually knows what they're doing, someone who can generate real results and drive actual revenue. If I were starting in this space, I'd niche down hard. Pick one platform, maybe just Instagram or just TikTok. Pick one industry, maybe just restaurants or just real estate. Become the absolute expert at getting results for that specific combination. Why? Because when you can prove you're making a business owner more money, you can charge premium prices. I'm talking $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and they'll happily pay it because they can see the return on investment. The key is focusing on results, not just pretty posts. Can you drive more leads, more sales, more brand recognition? That's what business owners actually care about. Number 6, tow truck service. Here's a perfect example of this business model in action. There's this guy who started with one tow truck, focusing on emergency 18-wheeler towing on busy interstate highways. This unassuming business owner was making a fortune, and here's why. When a big rig breaks down on the interstate, truck drivers are desperate. They're losing money every minute that truck isn't moving. And if you're the only person in the area with equipment big enough to tow an 18-wheeler, you can basically name your price. The beauty of this business is you can start small, just one truck serving one area. As you grow, you add more trucks and expand your service area. It's completely scalable. The downside? You need qualified drivers, and you're responsible for maintaining your equipment. But if you can handle those challenges, it's a high-margin business with consistent demand. Number 7, HVAC business. If you're considering a career change or just starting out, HVAC is seriously worth looking into. Many successful HVAC business owners got their start by going to trade school instead of traditional college. This business is capital light, but incredibly scalable if you have the right knowledge and systems. Smart entrepreneurs have found success by partnering with experienced HVAC professionals to build service businesses. What makes service businesses attractive is that they don't require huge upfront investments. What they require is expertise and good systems. Everyone needs heating and air conditioning. It breaks, it needs maintenance, and most people have no idea how to fix it themselves. Plus, with social media, you can reach local customers at scale in ways that weren't possible before. The key is starting local. Become the best HVAC service in your specific community first. Build your systems, perfect your processes, then slowly expand from there. Most local HVAC companies are still using outdated marketing like radio ads and billboards. If you can master digital marketing for local services, you'll have a huge competitive advantage. While everyone's hunting for the next revolutionary startup idea, these boring businesses quietly mint millionaires in the background. It makes you wonder, though, if building wealth can be this straightforward, why do so many smart people still get it wrong? The truth hit me after I finished my 172nd book about money. Most financial advice is complete garbage. But 10 of those books changed everything. Click here to find out which ones actually deliver on their promises. I'll see you there.